Okay, here we are, the 32nd tour of the chicken coop. This is the outdoor play yard. See, there's netting over there to protect from the hawks. And this is the inside portion. You can see there, these are the nest boxes. There you can see the nest boxes. Here we go in the door. There's a little chicken door outside. Here's the perches. Here's a droppings board. With some linoleum I can just roll up and hose off outside. And then underneath you can see the nest boxes. Nice little area to hang out. And now we're entering the outside. Here's a little chicken door. Okay. Here's some perches for when we want to sit in the shade. You can see I got still looks tacky, but I got this netting over the top, protect from predators, and it's tall enough that I can stand up. And some more perches, and then down underneath here. You can see that chickens can get under there and stay cool in the summer. And that's it. That's the chicken coop.